Hi guys, we have this Knorr pizza and pasta sauce. So in this video, let's see how to make pizza using this sauce. So this is 200-gram pack, MRP is 65 rupees and the shelf life is 1 year. Coming to the recipe of pizza, take a ready-made pizza base and apply Knorr pizza sauce mix over it. Spread it evenly to have a great taste of pizza. Now grate some cheese over the pizza on sauces. And spread the veggies of your choice. I took tomato, onion, paneer and spread some more grated cheese on the top of veggies. And now we are going to sprinkle some Italian herbs. I have preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Now bake the pizza in the preheat oven for 10 minutes. Our homemade pizza is ready to serve. Enjoy it hot. Our homemade pizza is ready to serve now. Taste wise, I found this pizza delicious. The pizza pasta sauce adds a flavor in the pasta and macaroni as well. It has this tanginess and the spices. So the pizza sauce is good in taste and quality. Overall, a good and reasonable product. Give it a try and subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.